Hi guys and welcome back sa ating channel, and in this video pag-uusapan naman natin ang tungkol sa Philippine Public Safety Academy. Isa tong bagong academy na na-establish under Philippine Public Safety College. So alamin natin kung ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng PPSA and paano nga ba makapasok sa PPSA. Pero bago ang lahat, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel is please subscribe para lagi kang updated sa ating mga videos. Gumagawa po tayo ng mga informative and inspirational videos, lalong-lalo na kung gusto mo makapasok sa Public Safety Service. And kung meron kang entrance exams din na gusto mong ipasa, meron din tayong mga reviewers tungkol dyan. And sa lahat ng mga subscribers natin, maraming salamat dahil you make our channel grow and mas marami pang nare-reach na kabataan na gustong matupad ang kanilang mga pangarap. So without further ado, let's start!
I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength.
Guys!
You want to win, come run with
Where's
your
all my
best
friend?
Hanapin mo yung average 1 to picture.
So yun na nga, bago tayo mag-proceed dito sa qualifications kung paano maging PPSA cadet, tignan muna natin ang website ng PPSA. Let's go! So yan na nga ang website ng Philippine Public Safety Academy. So tignan natin yung ibang pictures. Wow! Natatandaan ko si Sir, nasa gitna, si Police Lieutenant General Ricardo F. De Leon, retired. So siya ang president ng Philippine Public Safety College. Before kasi under PPSC ang Philippine National Police Academy, kaya kilala ko si Sir. Napakaraming natulong ni Sir sa PNPA and nakita namin yon bilang cadets way back. So kasama ni Sir dito ang ibang mga officers and distinguished personalities. And papansin nyo, iba-ibang uniform nila. Meron naka-jail uniform, meron naka BFP or fire uniform, and meron syempre yung Philippine National Police. Ayan, baba natin. So ito, meron silang mga articles. Yan. Yung mga articles nila. Pwede nyo i-visit yung website nila, ppsa.edu.ph. So yan. Tignan natin dito sa menu. Tignan natin yung About Us. So yan, About Us. The Philippine Public Safety Academy, the humble beginning. So sabi dito, envision to hone future public safety officers who will lead with courage and integrity. The Philippine Public Safety Academy or PPSA was established under the Department of the Interior and Local Government, DILG Circular Number 2022-009, creation and operationalization of the Philippine Public Safety Academy in accordance with the Republic Act 11279, signed by DILG Secretary Eduardo M. Año on March 4, 2022. So, na-establish pala ang PPSA nung time ni DILG Secretary Eduardo M. Año noong March 4, 2022. It was geared to facilitate and accelerate the smooth and coordinated transition of the Philippine National Police Academy from the Philippine Public Safety College to the Philippine National Police, as the graduates of the academy will be assigned as commissioned officers, fire jail inspectors to the Bureau of Fire Protection and the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. Kaya pala nabuo ang PPSA to accelerate and facilitate the smooth and coordinated transition of the Philippine National Police Academy from PPSC. Sabi ko sa inyo kanina before, ang PPSC under niya ang PNPA. Ngayon, nalipat na yung PNPA to Philippine National Police, kaya PNP na ang nag-handle ng Philippine National Police Academy. So supposedly, ang mangyayari dyan, ang graduate na lang ng PNPA is magiging police na lang lahat sila. Kaya binuo tong PPSA para magkaroon pa rin ng Bureau of Fire Protection Officers and Bureau of Jail Management and Penology Officers. So ituloy na natin. The implementation of this directive was made possible through the efforts of the steering committee. It was composed of the following official: si Sir Sevilla, si Sir Magalong, si Jail Chief Superintendent Hilbert M. Flor, si General Ochave sa NFTI, si Colonel Maluyo ng NFSTI, si Colonel Oloan, si Ma'am ng PPSA, Acting Director ng PPSA, si Sir Jagolino, Chief Curriculum Standards, si Colonel Elopre, si Ma'am Rondina, si Ma'am Emily Regado, si Ma'am Mirasol Uy, and syempre si Ma'am Maricela Antonio, Acting Dean of PPSA. The pioneering batch was carefully selected from all qualified fire and jail officers 1 and 2 ranks across the country. So yung pioneering batch pala ng PPSA is carefully selected from all qualified FO1 and FO1 to FO2 and JO1 to JO2. Ibig sabihin yan, sila yung mga first ranks sa mga BFP and PGMP. So, FO1 and FO2 tapos JO1 and JO2. So, doon sila pala pinili. So, from 1,084, 100 lang yung naging successful part of the historic batch of PPSA Class 2024, comprising 50 officers from each bureau, 78 are males and 22 are females. So, dito, pinapakita kung taga saan yung mga kumuha ng exam. Tapos, from all over the regions, nakita nyo, ang napakarami. These cadets met the following requirements, which also served as the basis for recruitment. So, ito na nga yung requirements kung gusto mo maging isang PPSA cadet. So, balik tayo dun sa picture kasi mas simplified yon, nakita ko. So, ayan. Ang gwapo ni Cadet Eslana. So, nakalagay dito, Philippine Public Safety Academy, Camp Vicente Lim, Calamba City, Laguna. So, sa Camp Vicente Lim pala ang PPSA. So, nakalagay dito, be a PPSA cadet. Ito yung qualifications. Must be or must have. Siyempre, a natural-born citizen of the Philippines. Dapat Pinoy ka. Number 2, at least 2 years in service as FO1 or FO2 or JO1 or JO2 and not more than 20 years of age on the day of the appointment. Yun nga, yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, yung FO1 and FO2 and yung JO1 and JO2, sila yung mga first ranks sa BFP and sa BJMP. So, dapat at least 2 years in service ka. Okay lang kung FO1 ka or FO2 ka, basta dapat 2 years in service ka. Tapos, hindi ka dapat talagpas sa age na 28 years of age on the day of the appointment. So, number 3, weight of not more or less than 5 kilograms from the standard weight corresponding to his or her height, age, and sex. Siyempre, ito yung tinatawag natin BMI. So, dapat hindi ka mas mababa o mas mataas sa 5 kilograms from the standard weight. So, mache-check mo yan. Napakaraming applications and dito sa Google na pwede mong ilagay yung or i-encode yung height mo, yung age, yung weight para makita mo yung BMI mo. So, number 4, person of good moral character. Siyempre, dapat mabait ka, matino ka, and law-abiding citizen ka. Dapat. Number 5, passed the medical and dental examinations, neuropsychiatric test, physical fitness test, drug test, and panel interview. So, kung mapapansin nyo, halos parehas lang sila doon sa Philippine National Police Academy. Meron tayo 5 exam doon. Yung entrance exam, neuropsychiatric exam, medical exam, physical agility test, and lastly, the panel interview. So, nandun na lahat yun, including the drug test. So, number 6, no pending cases prior to his or her appointments as FO1 or JO1. So, dapat wala kang pending cases, wala kang nakahain na kaso, whether administrative or criminal. So, second to the last, not convicted with an offense or crime involving moral turpitude. So, dapat hindi ka na-convict ng isang offense or crime involving moral turpitude. And lastly, no parental obligation. So, dapat wala ka pang anak. So, nakalagay dito, deadline for submission of application is October 13, 2023 and the date of exam is October 29, 2023. So, nandito yung email nila, ppsaadmission2022@gmail.com and yung number nila, 0966-472-5968. Sa place and venue of exam naman, sa Luzon, meron sa Laguna, meron sa Baguio, sa Quezon City, sa Pampanga. Sa Visayas naman, meron sa Cebu and Iloilo. Tapos sa Mindanao naman, meron sa Davao, sa Cagayan de Oro, and sa Pagadian City. So, yan ang mga qualifications kung gusto mo maging PPSA cadets. So, calling all the FO1 and FO2s of the Bureau of Fire Protection and the JO1 and JO2s of the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. Kung gusto nyo maging PPSA cadet and maging officers ng Bureau of Fire Protection and Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, take the entrance exam of the Philippine Public Safety Academy. And ito pa, may nakita ko dito sa admission, ito yung mga baccalaureate degrees na ino-offer ng PPSA. So kung sa Philippine National Police Academy, pagka-graduate mo is meron kang bachelor's degree in public safety. Dito naman sa PPSA, pagka-graduate mo makakakuha ka ng Bachelor of Science in Fire Protection Administration para sa Bureau of Fire Protection and Bachelor of Science in Penology and Correction Administration kung isa ka namang jail officer. So sa salary naman, ito yung magiging salary mo pag naging officer ka ng BFP and BJMP. So kung isa kang FO1 or JO1 before ka maging kadete ng PPSA, ang sahod mo is 29,668. Kung ikaw naman is fire or jail officer 2, meron kang 30,867. And kung graduate ka, magiging inspectors ka, and kung graduate ka naman sa PPSA, magiging officers ka ng BFP and BJMP, and ang magiging sahod mo is 49,528. So napakalaki na nadagdag, more or less 20,000 pesos. So all in all, napakaganda nitong PPSA, and sa lahat ng gusto at sa lahat ng magiging graduates ng PPSA, congratulations sa inyong lahat and see you in the field. Sana nakatulong tong video natin ito, at kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe to our channel. And lastly, always stay inspired.